Good day, we are welcome to another math class. Today we are going to talk about subtraction of number bases. The thumb rule in the subtraction of number bases is that whenever we are subtracting a bigger number from a smaller number and we needed to borrow a number from the next, when we were in base 10, we will say when we carry 1 from here, it will be 10. But now when we are carrying 1, whatever one we are carrying, borrowing from the other number to add to the lower number to subtract the larger number from will be that number, instead of being in 10, will now be in the base from which we are subtracting from. Let's look at this question. Subtract 2155 base 6 from 10024 base 6. So how do we do this? We say 10024 base 6, 2155 base 6. We cannot take away 5 from 4, so we borrow 1. That one we are borrowing becomes 6, so it will be 6 plus 4, 10. 10 minus 5, that's 5. If it was in base 10, when we carry 1, it becomes 10. But now since we are in base 6, whatever one we are carrying becomes 6. This remains 1. So we borrow 1 from here. When we borrow 1 from here, it will be 6. But we are removing that 1 from here to be here. This will be 6. This will now be turned to 5. Then we are removing that 1 from here to here. So it will be 6 that we are borrowing plus the 1 that remains here. That will be 7. 7 minus 5, 2. This remains 5 because we are borrowing 1 from it. 5 minus 1, 4. 5 minus 2, 3. So this becomes our answer. 3425 base 6 becomes our answer. When we borrow any one from the other preceding number, in base 10 it should be 10. But now that it's in base 6 or whatever number it is, that number we are carrying, borrowing, represents the base from which we are carrying from. Let's look at another question. Subtract 120 base 8 from 2310 base 8. So we have 2310 minus 120 all in base 8. 0, we remove 0, no problem. 1, we cannot take away 2 from 1, so we borrow 1 from here. The 1 we are borrowing becomes 8. So 8 plus 1, 9. 9 minus 7. 9 minus 2, 7. This remains 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Then write this 2. So this becomes our answer in base. This becomes our answer in base 8. 11011 base 2 from 1110 11100 base 2. So we have to subtract. We say 1110 base 2. Then we say 11011 base 2. We have to subtract. Cannot remove 1 from 0, so we borrow 1. Whatever one we are borrowing represents 2. It becomes 2 here. When we borrow the 2, the 1 from here, it will become 2. Then this will become 1. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. This is 0 already because we have removed 1. So 0. We borrow 1 from here to be here. That will be 2. This remains 0. 2 minus 1, 1. This is 0. We borrow 1. The 1 represents 2. Because this was 0. Since we have borrowed 1. 2 take away 1, 1. This is 0 and this is 1. So our answer is 1011001 base 1. 1206 base 8 from 2, 3, 10 base 8. So we say 2, 3, 10 base 8, 1, 2, 0, 6 base 8. 6 cannot take it. We cannot take away 6 from 0, so we borrow 1 from here. Whatever one we borrow represents 8. 8 minus 6, 2. This we are borrowing 1 from here, so this will remain 0. 3 take away 2, 1. 2 take away 1, 1. So our answer will be 1, 1, 0, 2 base 8. 1, 1, 0, 2 base 8. Let's look at this again. Subtract 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1 base 2 from 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0 base 2. So we write 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0 base 2, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 base 2. Then we subtract. 0 minus 1 is impossible, so we take 1 from here. So here to be 2. Then we take it to here to be 2. Then this will become 1. And this will become 0. So 2 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. This is 0. So we take 1 again from here. It will become 2 here. Then we take this from here to here. This will be 2. Then this will change to 1. And this will be 0. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0, 1. This was 0. Then we take 1 from here. So 2 minus 1, 1. This is 0. Then we take 1 again from here to add here. That will be 2. 2 minus 1, 1. So our answer will be 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1 base 2 becomes our answer. 1, 1, 0, 1, 2 minus 1, 1 base 2. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 take away 1 is not possible. So we take 1 from here to here. It will be 2. 2 minus 1, 1. This is 0. Then write our 1. This seems easier. 3215 base 321 base 5 minus 113 base 5. What we will do here is it's not possible for us to subtract 3 from 1. So we are going to borrow 1 from here. The one we are borrowing will represent 5. Normally when we borrow 1, it's usually in 10, so we say it represents 10. But this time, because it's in base 5, it will represent 5. So when we take 1 from here to here, it will be 5 plus 1, 6. 6 minus 3, we have 3. We've already taken 1 from here, so it remains 1. 1 minus 1, 0. And then 2 minus 3 minus 1, 2. So our answer will become 203 base 5 for this question. 405 base 8 minus 217 base 8. 217 base 8. We cannot take 7 away from 5, so we borrow 1 from here to be here. This one will remain 3. That one will be 5. Will be in since it's in base 8, it represents 8. So when we take 1 from that 8 to here, that will be 8 plus 5, 13. It was 8 before. We've taken away 1. So what remains will be 7. So 8 plus 5, 13 minus 7, 6. 13 minus 7 is 6 base 8. Now, this will be 7 because what was there before, when we borrow 1, that one represented 8 since it's in base 8. Since we borrowed 1 from 8, it will be 7. So 7 minus 1, 6. Then 3 minus 2, 1. So our answer will be 166 base 8. Another question. 5117 base 8 minus 324 base 8. Minus 324 base 8. 7 take away 4. We have 3 base 8. But we cannot take 2 away from 1. So we borrow 1 from here. That 1 will represent 8 since it's in base 8. So it will be 8 plus 1, 9. 9 minus 7. 9 minus 9, 7. Now this remains 0. So we take 1 from here to this 0. That one we take away from 5 will be 8. 8 plus 0, 8. 8 minus 3, 5. This will remain 4. So we put our 4. So our answer to this question will be 4573, 4573 base 8. Yet another question. 905, this is in base 12, minus 509 base 12. We cannot remove 9 from 5, so we borrow 1 from here. 6 is in base 12. Anything we are borrowing will represent 12. If we borrow 1 from here to here, it will be 12. This will remain 8. And then we borrow that same one from 12 to add to 5. So this will be 12 plus 5, and this 0 will be 11. We borrow 1 from 9. We add it to this 0. Since we are borrowing under base 12, that one we are borrowing will be 12. Now, we still have 5 we are to take away 9 from. So we borrow 1 from that 12, we add it. Whatever we are borrowing represents 12. So it will be 12 plus 5, 17. 17 minus 9. That will give us 8, base 12. Now, what remains there will be 11. 11 minus 0, we cannot write 11 here. So we represent 11 by a figure. We say E. 8 minus 5, 3. So our answer will be 3E 8 base 12, where E equals 11. With this, we've come to the end of subtraction of number bases. And in our next class, we'll be talking about multiplication of number bases. Thank you. Meet you in the next class.